Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I tried following my one of the favorite YouTuber TiTi S Corner makeup tutorial on brown smoky eye, and I will follow all the technique what she used in this tutorial. But I don't have the same product, so please forgive me. And one thing I want to tell you all that I don't want to be look like her or copying her, because I'm totally different from her and I'm just using her techniques. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it, so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without any ado, let's get started.
Listen to the sound, two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Center of your touch, I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave, must sit between. 'Cause when you knock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Turn around, just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven.
So yeah, that's all. This is my finished look. So hope you like my video and let me know what you will think about this look. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.